To fix the Mexc app when it's not working, start by opening the App Store on your device. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see options for Today, Games, Apps, Arcade, and a search button. Click on the search button to access the search bar. Then type in Mexc to find the Mexc app, which should be listed as an option to buy and sell Bitcoin. Download the app. Then exit the App Store and locate the newly installed app on your device. If you're having trouble logging in, try signing in through your device's browser, as the browser version of the app offers similar functionality. Once logged in, you may need to switch accounts or troubleshoot other issues. If the problem persists, return to the App Store and ensure that your Mexc app is up to date. If not, click to update, or consider deleting and reinstalling the app on your mobile device.